Welcome to AFAM Storage.
This quick guide will show you how to log in or register for an account with our convenient online bill pay service. First, visit
afamilystorage.com
and scroll over to the account icon in the top right corner. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, click Login. Fill in the location options to find your storage facility. If you have a registered account, enter your login credentials here. If you're a new AFAM Storage tenant or haven't previously registered on our website, click Create Account at the bottom of this page. Enter in the email address associated with the primary contact on your existing self-storage account. When choosing a password, be mindful of the requirements listed at the top of the page, and be sure it's a password you'll remember. After entering your password twice, a confirmation code will be sent to your email address. Enter the 6-digit code into the text field to finish creating your account. From the Bill Pay homepage, you'll see a prompt at the top to link your mobile phone to the account to make future logins easier. This is where you can set up autopay, so you won't have to worry about missed payments or late fees. Scrolling down, you'll see the current balance on each of the storage units you're renting. Simply log in and make your monthly payment. If one or more of the units you're renting is not displaying on your homepage, you can manually add them by scrolling back to the top right and hovering over the login icon. Click the link space to this account button, where you'll be able to enter in the location of your storage facility, the unit number, and your access code, which the facility manager can give to you if needed. Filling in these options will link the unit to your account for you to manage and pay. If you have any questions about our convenient online bill pay services, please contact your local facility manager for more information. The facility phone number is available on your store's landing page.
Thank you for choosing AFAM Storage.